Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello everyone, today we're doing chapter 18, problem 18, and this problem asks us to rank the following compounds in order of increasing reactivity in your electrophilic aromatic substitution. So what we know in electrophilic aromatic substitution, just like in previous examples, is that benzene ring is going to be our nucleophile. So something that donates electron density into the benzene ring is going to increase the electron properties of our nucleophile, making it a better nucleophile and therefore react faster. However, something that pulls electron density out of the benzene ring will make these pi bonds here, this pi bond that acts as a nucleophile, into a worse nucleophile, and therefore it will react slower in your electrophilic aromatic substitution. So here, let's see these three problems. So typically, in determining if the substituent is electron donating or electron withdrawing, we need to look at just the atom that's directly bounded to it. And all three of these cases is carbon. So it's a tie, so we need to move kind of further along the substituent to see what else we have. Well, here we have one electronegative chlorine. That what we know about chlorine is that it inductively pulls electron density out of the benzene ring because it's more electronegative than carbon and hydrogen. Here we have two chlorines, so we can say that we have 2 times the pull. But here we have now an extra carbon before this chlorine, so now we actually have, we can say, half the pull. So because we have this carbon spacer before we reach a chlorine, what we can say about this molecule is that this is going to be the least electron poor, or another way of saying it is this is going to be the most electron-rich benzene ring. So therefore, this is going to react the fastest and being number 1. So with that logic, we know that here we both have carbon and carbon, and attached to this carbon we have 1 chlorine, attached to this carbon we have 2 chlorines. And we know that chlorine inductively pulls electron density out of the benzene ring. So because here we have 2 chlorines, we can say we have 2 times the pull as the first molecule. So we know that this molecule here is going to react the slowest. So this can be given number 3, leaving this with number 2 reacting in a speed between 1 and 3.